Nicole and I are here going to do our own slime video. Nicole enjoys watching slime videos a lot, right?
Yeah.
And we've done a couple of kind of like reviews on some of the slime videos that we've done. And so we are going to do our own slime video. So who gave us this slime?
Rebecca Ellis.
Rebecca. So
Rebecca.
yeah, gave us this,
Last
but
name unknown.
she made this slime herself, and then I think you dyed it, right?
Yeah,
You
I
added the
colored
color.
it.
She added the color, and
And
so
some soap and water to make it squishier.
oh, and added some soap and water, and it's called what kind of slime?
Butter slime.
Butter slime. So okay, here's our take or version on some of the slime videos that Nicole watches, and here we go.
Poke. Poke. So you can see that people poke a lot in slime videos, so we're poking, but it doesn't feel good at all. It's just like your finger exercise.
I don't think you're supposed to talk. The ones that I see, that you watch are just
They're just poking.
this. Just poking.
Poke. Okay, so it's poke, poke, flip. Poke, poke, flip. That's how people do it in the videos. Poke, poke, flip. Poke, poke, flip.
But they don't say poke, poke, slip.
I say
Flip. Okay, so here we go.
Then they do this.
We should set this to music, and then I guess it's relaxing. Shh. I'll hum. I bet this is gonna get like 2 million views because everybody loves watching a slime video.
Wait, it's going on YouTube.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on YouTube. We shouldn't be talking though. Okay. Keep poking and turning because that's what people love to watch, right?
Yeah.
Poke.
Poke, flip.
Okay, we're not supposed to be talking though.
Wizard and Molly isn't in this YouTube video.
Yeah.
Jeez. You have to be quiet because people don't do this bad in YouTube videos.
I can't believe that people make videos of this.
I know, it's
We're only
just
working on 3 minutes and it feels like I've been doing this for like
2 hours.
2 hours exactly. Let alone watching the video. I can't even do this for that long.
Me either.
It's good therapy. I did say that. The last time we were watching this, I said, oh, I bet they have good finger strength.
We have good
My
finger
hands are
strength.
getting tired.
Mine aren't.
You can keep doing this for a long time.
Yeah, about 2 hours. Owie. There's splinters in this splinter things in this.
Splinters. Why are there splinters in here?
Because I dropped it on accident.
So that is only a good exercise tool, but it also picks up lint and other things.
Poke, poke, poke,
And flip and poke.
poke, poke.
Can we be done with this now?
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Oh gosh, that's exhausting.
It's exhausting, everyone. Listen carefully. So all you have to do is like poke, poke, flip. But it feels like it's exhausting. Feels like it's been 2 hours.
Right. So which do you prefer? Do you prefer to watch the slime videos of people poking and things? Or
Oh.
do you prefer to actually do the poking and flipping? Or watch the poking and flipping? Which do you like better?
Do the poking and flipping
You like the
because
poking
you
and
get to
flipping?
feel the slime.
Feel the slime.
But also it's exhausting.
It's exhausting.
Now this is my slime.
All right. Well,
My
thank you all
slime.
for watching.
Thank you.
You can just replay this on a loop since we only have this one video as opposed to the many slime videos that are out there. If you enjoy this, just like I said, you can play it on loop over and over and over again. Happy watching!
Happy watching.